Yun, stay tayo sa oras dahil alam nyo naman na meron tayong parating na guest. And kilala nyo naman kung sino yung parating natin na guest. Again, palakpakan natin ang Pitaya! Yeah! Nag-enjoy kayo? Nagustuhan nyo? Follow nyo sila sa socials para alam nyo kung saan nyo sila papanoorin. Support nyo sila sa socials nila para alam nyo yung next gig. Ayan. So habang nagsiset up ang ating susunod na banda, gutom na ba kayo? Ay, walang mood dyan na. Gutom na ba? Gutom na? Hindi? Walang kakain? Wala daw kakain, sir. Sir, siguraduhin nyo nakakabusog yan. Siguraduhin nyo nakakabusog yan. Kasi kayo yung kakainin eh. Yummy daw yun. Sound check, extension, extension. Okay.
Nickname ko, ako po si Monja, mabait po ako. Hindi po ako adik. Ako lang yung pinaknapan kanina dun eh.
So habang nagsiset up ang ating susunod na performer again, remind ko lang everyone, we have food booths at the back, we have Yummy Brew Blend and Beans and Dreams from Baras Rizal, Choco's Shawarma, Jillian's Delicacies, Limonas Lemonade, Two Brothers Refreshment, Master Grilled Shawarma, Angeline Food Court, and Bulaklak Food Products from Tanay Rizal, Ashley Fresh Fruit Shake, Drip Coffee, Huertes Cantina, Solas Iced Tea, Pabangot Pabaon, Lola Felicidad, and Kimchi Delight from Morong Rizal, and of course, Sambayan Coffee Shop from Yugan. We would also like to thank our partners for tonight, JCI Baras, LGU of Baras Rizal para sa ating cover court venue, and La Familia Events Management with trading partners from B. Kim Grocery Asunit and AJC Care Pharmacy, and of course our media partners Madcap Clothing and June Fabula Photography. For our next performer, with 44,000 followers on Facebook, ang bandang reggae pero hindi adik, nagpapalaganap ng kapayapaan at pag-ibig. Handa na bang mag-chill at may labang lahat? I said, handa na bang mag-chill at may labang lahat? Palakpakan natin ng bandang Monja!
Ulitin ko po, ako po si Monja, hindi po ako masamang tao. Pakilagyan po ng tunog yung DI. Thank you. Wala pa? party nice and blue, bluer than the clear sky. And I went so far, but tonight, best I even not Swiss free. Yeah, sun, hotter than ever before. It's right, some more. Yeah, there is nothing money tired to us during the party. Cool down. The wind is on fire, there is nothing. This is money tired to us during the party. Cool down. Sila pa, Marvin, James, Marvin nandiyan, si Freddy. Yan, shoutout sa inyo lahat ng mga nanonood. Yan. Itong next song, sana makipag-participate kayo. Okay lang ba?
Nagulat ako doon. Nag-import na, nag-tumbling pa. Walang kaya naman! Umbongya! Woo! That's solid. Solid. Na-speechless ako bigla eh. Solid ba? Solid! Thank you, sir. Walang kaya ulit ang Umbongya! Grabe. Na-speechless talaga ako. Okay, nagpapasalamat tayo sa partners natin for this event. We have JTI Baras LGU for letting us use this cover tour for our venue for tonight. Huwag ka mag-ande!